I built this swing away tire rack for less than $100. I built mine on this round pipe, but you could do it on any bumper, properly reinforced. The bumper features a hidden latch. You reach back here, and a secondary latch on the other side. And a latch that catches it from swinging on open. Then you lift this, bring it back.
Some guys on YouTube have bought a spindle and hub from their local tractor farm supply store. The only problem with that is you have to cut the flange off. It's more work and more expensive. $100 versus $60. I bought this from EMS Off-Road for $60, including freight and taxes.
This pipe that's on the back of this 73 Bronco actually came on my 68 Bronco. On my 68 it was welded to the frame. I cut it off and made these mounting brackets so you could remove it. I'm going to take this spindle and we'll make a hole right here. What I've done is I've removed this part from my tubing notcher and I made a bracket out of an old bumper hitch mounting bracket. This is going to mount right here. This will slide over the pipe. This holds it right perfectly over the pipe. I had to make a spacer to get this thing centered on here, and longer bolts, half-inch longer bolts to go through the extra metal here. Okay, I've got it clamped on there. I've used my angle finder to match pretty much the shape of the back, making sure it's level with the bumper. Well, there it is. You can see it was barely enough to get through the other side, but it made it. And there's the two slugs that came out of it. Pretty thick stuff. Look how good of a fit this turned out to be. It's pretty daggone straight. That right there is even with the bottom. This doesn't have the dust seal on the bottom, grease seal, or the dust cap on the top. You don't want to put any of that together till you get that spindle welded in. But this is just for a test fit. That's even with the bottom. You got plenty of room there. I could even lower it down a little bit more. Probably down to there if I wanted. I went to my local metal recycler, got two 5-foot 3x2 1/8-inch wall pieces of tubing and a 3/16 piece of steel.
The swing arm had to be cut to fit the hub. This was done by using the tubing notcher jig and a 2 1/4-inch hole saw. Here's the test fit. Watch part number 2 to see how it all gets put together. Thanks for watching.